everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video. I did go ahead and add primer and my Beetles base coat to the nails, and I'm going to go ahead and use my Jelly Nudes from RAR JSM and apply that to 4 of the nails because I'm going to make French tips on these nails. And I'm going to go ahead and do 4 coats of this color to build up the desired color that I would like. In between each layer, I do cure for 60 seconds. Here's how the nails are looking after those 4 coats of the Jelly Nude, and I'm going in with my black gel nail polish color, and I'm going to go ahead and put some on my palette and use my liner brush, and I'm going to go ahead and start creating the French tips. I did go ahead and cure those black nails for 120 seconds in the UV lamp just to make sure they cured all the way. Now I'm going to take my white gel polish and my same liner brush, and I'm going to start creating the spider webs on the accent nail. with that same white gel polish, I'm going to go ahead and make white French tips for the other two nails. In between each layer, I do cure for 60 seconds. For the middle fingernail, I am going to go ahead and take this silvery glittery color from Beetles, and I'm going to go ahead and paint 3 coats on this nail, and I'm going to cure for 60 seconds in between each coat. Now I'm going to take my liner brush and my white gel polish and add little X's as stitches on the black French tips, and I'm going to do the same for the white French tips but add black stitches instead. For Jack Skellington's face, I'm going to use my dotting tool and white gel polish, and I'm just going to go ahead and create a circle right in the center, and then I will draw his face details with the liner brush. Use my liner brush and just add stripes down the silver nail as Jack's clothing. Taking my Macart rhinestone glue, and I'm going to go ahead and add my spider charms and my white bow charms onto the nails. finish off the nails, I'm going to be using my top coat from Savvyland and just a gel nail brush, and apply a thick layer over all the nails, and I will cure for 120 seconds in the UV lamp. This is how the nails look after they've been cured. I did go ahead and file the free edges off camera. These nails turned out super cute. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.